In this video, I'm going to show you how to play audio samples in AUXLAB. You may already know you can play the audio from the settings and variables window. Here I am opening a WAV file kite from my hard drive. Click the variable and press the spacebar.
Kite.
You also know you can display the waveform and play it from the waveform window.
Kite.
Here, this is how you play through a command. Use the play function.
Kite.
Using this function, you can repeat the playback like 10 times here.
Kite, 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 kite.
This function gives you a handle to audio playback so you know the status of the playback. You see it on the screen, but it's more useful if you see the content of a handle from the settings and variables window. You see how the status is changing here. There are a few fields in the handle. Here we see the total duration to play, how much it has played, and how much it is left, all of them in seconds. With the handle, you can pause the playback, resume it, even stop it. Let's make a pure tone of 400 Hz with sinusoidal amplitude modulation of 4 Hz for 1 second. Let's play this and repeat for 100 times. Now, watch what I do with the handle of this playback, H. So that was how to pause the playback, resume and stop it. Now notice that the stop function stops the playback smoothly. If you want to stop it immediately, use qstop. What happens when you call another play function while something is played? There are two different scenarios. First, if you apply the play function to the existing handle H, then it begins the new sound right after the existing playback is over. Second, if you just call play function with a signal without a handle, it makes a new audio playback handle and it starts the playback immediately and simultaneously with the existing playback.
Kite. Kite.
Let's play the sound from the waveform window. I'm opening an audio recording of counting digits. As you know, press the spacebar to play.
0, 1, 2.
In the waveform window, if you hit the spacebar again while the sound is being played, it'll pause it.
0, 1, 2.
Hit the spacebar again to resume it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Stop it immediately in the middle, hit the escape key. Now, I'm going to play sounds from several windows simultaneously. I'm opening ringtones SM1, 2, and 3, and open the waveform windows. Now, we can play any sound from any window while any other sound is played.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And if you want to stop all sounds immediately, just click the stop button here.
7.